Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So I want to give you a trade breakdown or the market recap on the trade that I took on USDJPY. That was last week. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here, my trading strategy, guys, it's not that complicated. So basically, when I head over to them, when I open the charts, what essentially I'm looking for is for the market to form a reversal pattern. So that would be an M pattern. Sometimes people refer to it as a change of character, this and that. So I would either look for a reversal pattern faces like an M pattern followed by a continuation pattern. So after when the market has done this, what I basically look for is for any demand or supply zone in this area, and then wait for the market to retrace from this point and tap to that supply zone, and then look for entry confirmations on our time frame, look for short opportunities. So essentially, that's the whole idea or criteria of my trading. Get rid of this. So, as you can see right here, you can clearly see that the market here was in an uptrend. So after that, it formed this M pattern. So after forming this M pattern, it shows that the market is about to reverse. But you need to know that a reversal pattern doesn't guarantee that the market will actually drop. So what I essentially look for is for a continuation pattern, a formation of, so in this case, a formation of a new lower low. So that's what essentially the market did. So after forming this lower low, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a demand zone. So I'm looking for a supply zone that has caused a break of structure. So essentially, this is what exactly happened. So after the market managed to break this structure, what am I looking for? After it tapped into my demand zone, I had to head over to my 15 minutes time frame. So on my 15 minutes time frame, that's when I look for entry confirmation. So don't mind the AMAs. So essentially, what I'm looking for is so from the swing low, as you can see, the market is taking a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, a higher low, and then a higher high. So essentially, as you can see here, on the 15 minutes time frame, the market it's in an uptrend, but on the 4-hour time frame, the market it's in a downtrend. So what I'm essentially looking for is for what we call a time frame alignment, in which the 4-hour and the 15 minutes time frame need to signal for a bearish market structure. So as you can see here, we had a change of character. So as you can see right here, I'm looking for a signal that is telling me that the market now is about to reverse. So essentially what's happening here is that the market has violated this higher low, which sometimes you guys refer to as a change of character. So right at the break below here, I had to press my order right around here. So let me firstly make this tool visible on the lower time frame. Right. So on the visibility on the minutes time frame. So as we hit back here, the 15 minutes. So essentially, what you have seen that the moment at the break of this higher low, which is also referred to as a change of character, I had to place my trade here by stop loss slightly above the higher high, just providing room for spreads. And essentially, I had to target on the negative 0.136 of the Fibonacci level, but I didn't essentially hold it to that level. I was just looking for this weak high here, the weak low rather. So on the 4-hour time frame, so that was what I was looking for on UJ. So I'll give you so I'll press the screenshot on the trade that I took on my MT5. So that's all on our UJ. So besides that, for this week, I'm also seeing a nice opportunity on on USDJPY. So as you can see, guys, essentially it's the same thing that I'm always looking for in the market. So here, as you can see, the market was in a downtrend. Now the market has formed this reversal pattern here, or an M pattern, and then followed by a continuation pattern, causing this break. Causing this break of structure. So after this break of structure, what essentially you can see that the market has created this nice demand zone. So this demand zone, 3 candle rule, with an imbalance over here. So what I'm anticipating, what I'm waiting for actually for the market just to retrace and tap into my demand zone, and then I'll head over to my 15 minutes time frame to look for a reversal pattern. So that's the change of character. So essentially here, when you head over to the 15 minutes time frame, you will definitely see that the market is in a downtrend, guys. So as you can see right here, the market is in a downtrend, creating this series of what? Lower lows and lower highs. So as you can see, essentially, I'll be just patiently waiting for the market tap into this one, show me a reversal pattern before looking for long opportunities. So that's all on USDJPY. I'll keep you guys updated. So in the meantime, I just need to wait and see the market, what will actually do. Sometimes the market won't even like reach to this point, just taps on this area and then continues to the upside. It happens. Sometimes I do miss trades, but I'll keep you guys updated. So yeah, if you're interested, you can also keep an eye on this trade, on this setup rather. So when it taps into this demand zone, look for a reversal pattern, a change of character, and then look for long opportunities. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated for this setup. That's all. If you enjoy this content, I highly recommend that you subscribe, because I'll be dropping more videos around this area, around my strategy, explaining how my model works and how I'm looking for trade opportunities. Bless you for tuning in. Yeah, that's all.